welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh, it's been a while. Welcome. If you are seeing my channel for the first time, please do also subscribe, like, and comment on my video. If you are a return subscriber, thanks for being on my channel. Thanks for always supporting and viewing my videos. Alright, today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful Aso-oke fascinator. So you are going to cut out 15 on your Aso-oke. One piece of Aso-oke is enough to make this design. Cut out 15 on your Aso-oke, two of it. And take it to your machine. You join it, like you sew it at the end. After that, you wrap your boning with your bias or anything you want to use and wrap your boning. Alright. So watch the video carefully to the end. Drop your comment and then like, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed to my channel. Once you have sewn your Aso-oke, the next thing for you to do, as you watch to the end of the video, you'll see every detail. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.